In today's video, I am going to teach you how to publish Google Sheets to the web Google Drive 2026. To begin, open your web browser and go to Google Drive. You want to land on the main Drive homepage, where you can see your files and folders. This method starts in Drive because it is the quickest way to manage sharing and get a link you can publish or embed elsewhere. Once you are in Google Drive, locate the Google Sheets file you want to publish. Click once on the file to highlight it. Highlighting the file is important because it tells Drive exactly which document you are about to share, without opening it first. Take a moment here to confirm you have selected the correct spreadsheet, especially if you have multiple versions with similar names. With the file selected, click Share. This opens the sharing panel where you control who can access the spreadsheet and what they can do with it. In this workflow, you will create a link that can be used on a website, in a message, or anywhere you want people to view the sheet. Inside the sharing settings, find the option that says Anyone with the link. Click it to change the access level from restricted to link access. In some layouts, you may need to click Anyone with the link again to confirm the setting or open the link sharing section fully. After this is enabled, anyone who has the link will be able to open the file, so only proceed if you are comfortable sharing it broadly. Next, set the permission level. Click the drop-down that shows Viewer. If it already says Viewer, click it and make sure Viewer is selected. Viewer is the safest option for publishing since it allows people to see the spreadsheet without editing it. This helps protect your data from accidental changes. Finally, click Copy Link. This copies the shareable link to your clipboard so you can paste it wherever you need, such as a website, a document, or an email draft. A helpful tip is to paste the link into a private note first, just to confirm it copied correctly. That covers everything you need to know. And that is all there is to it.